Hey guys, Maneli, Jamal here, and I thought I'd show you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes look as to what I do with some of my videos. I just got some new gear, which I'm really happy to use for the video that I just recorded called Due North. And I wanted to show you guys kind of what I go through when I'm recording some videos for you guys on YouTube and Facebook, Instagram. So I'm just going to kind of run you through the mic, the camera, the lights that I just got, and kind of what I'm using for the preamps and stuff like that, and what the final product would look like. So here we go. Just to let you guys know, I'm recording this with my phone. Just to give you guys a little glimpse into the camera that I'm using here. I'm using the Sony a6500. It's a beast. It's really a wonderful camera. Here I'm using the Andy signed 4K external monitor so I can see what I'm doing, because a lot of the times I need to see if I'm framed correctly and things like that. So that's what's going on there. It's connected to this little cage system, and all these links for these items you can find in the description below. Here I've got the tripod, which is a Vanguard tripod, which I swear by. It's really great, really versatile. Again, for what I'm doing, I don't really need it to do too many things, but it is just a good thing to have. Next up, we have the lighting. The lighting here I'm using is the Aperture 120D. They just came out with the second one, which is the Mark II, but for what I'm doing, I'm not really using, crazy lighting systems. This here is the light dome. This is basically what diffuses the light to make it a little bit softer on me, the subject. So it's important for me to have something that is a big light source, because the bigger the light source, the more of a soft light you're going to get. And of course there's Tico keeping his spirits high, doing nothing as usual. And here I'm using the mic. The mic of choice that I'm typically using is the Mojave, what is that, the MA300 I believe. And this is a wonderful workhorse here. It's a tube, large diaphragm condenser mic, really nice, captures some nice warmth. And the guitar that I'm using for the song Due North is this guitar here, which is a Almanza 447 Cypress. I've got my pedal board here. Maybe I'll do another video for you guys on this at a later time. This is not something that I'm using necessarily for this video today. Here's Nala. Hi. And typically I just sit on a cajon. I've got these, as you can see here, the little tape there to know that where I'm putting stuff, in case I forget where to put stuff. Now this is all going through my, my audio interface here, which is the RME UFX. And sometimes I use the Great River. For this particular piece, I decided not to. And this is going into the computer, the iMac Pro. And I'm doing all the editing and everything in post-production over there. Now here we've got a little light, which is basically what they call a hair light, just to outline a little bit of my body when you've got a wide shot. And this is set at a pretty warm temperature. This is about 3200 K, which is a pretty warm, kind of yellowish look. I find that this works quite well. Just to give you a view of what's going on here. So this is a look at the studio. This is basically where the camera is. You got the light there, everything over there. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, kind of getting a glimpse into my world as far as what I do to record a video and the equipment that I have to use and to post them online. But it's a lot of fun, and if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this sort of video. It's my first time doing a video like this, so I'd love to hear what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for listening to the music. I really appreciate that. Until next time.